Imagine this, you're home alone. Suddenly, a crushing pressure spreads across your chest. You feel dizzy, weak, maybe even nauseated. Your mind races. Should I lie down? Should I wait? Maybe it's just gas. That hesitation could cost your life. Today, I'll show you 10 dangerous mistakes people make during a heart attack, especially when they're alone, and explain why each one can turn deadly. When chest pain hits, many people instinctively lie flat to rest. But lying down can make things worse. Your heart must fight against gravity, and blood flow to the brain can suddenly drop. It also increases fluid pressure on your lungs, making it harder to breathe when your heart's already struggling. Instead, sit upright with your back supported and knees slightly bent. This helps oxygen reach your heart and brain while keeping your airway clear. A shocking number of people die behind the wheel during heart attacks. You may think, I'll just drive myself to the hospital, it's faster. But a heart attack can cause you to lose consciousness without warning. One blackout, and your car becomes a 3,000-pound weapon. Always call emergency services immediately. Paramedics can begin treatment before you even reach the hospital. That's something you can't do alone in your car. Heart attacks rarely start dramatic. They often begin as mild pressure, indigestion, or tightness in the chest. Waiting, just to see if it gets better, is one of the biggest killers. The first hour is the golden window. Acting fast can reopen a blocked artery and save heart tissue. Every minute you wait, more muscle dies. Cold water may seem refreshing, but during a heart attack, it shocks the body. Sudden cold causes blood vessels to constrict, raising heart workload and worsening pain. Your heart already lacks oxygen. This extra stress can trigger cardiac arrest. If you're thirsty, take only small sips of room temperature water. Many people reach for painkillers or leftover medication, hoping to ease discomfort. But drugs like ibuprofen or naproxen can worsen clotting or delay medical care. Only take aspirin if you've been told to by a doctor, and chew it, don't swallow whole, for faster absorption. Otherwise, skip the medicine and call emergency services. Heart pain isn't always in the chest. For many, it spreads to the left arm, neck, jaw, or even upper back. Ignoring these subtle signs can delay life-saving treatment. If you ever feel this spreading pressure or heaviness, even without chest pain, treat it like a heart attack until proven otherwise. Standing up fast or pacing around makes your heart work harder. Panic also floods your body with adrenaline, tightening arteries and worsening oxygen loss. Sit still, breathe slowly through your nose, and stay as calm as possible. You're giving your heart the best chance to survive until help arrives. When pain hits, some think eating or drinking will settle the stomach, but food diverts blood to digestion, exactly when your heart needs every drop of oxygen it can get. Eating can also raise the risk of choking or vomiting if you faint, so keep your airway clear and avoid food until a doctor says it's safe. Heart attack pain can feel like anxiety or fatigue, especially in women, where symptoms are often subtle. If it's new, intense, or different from your normal stress, don't guess. Always check. The cost of being wrong is your life. Pain fading doesn't mean danger is gone. Your heart attack might be pausing or about to worsen. People often relax when pain stops, and many die minutes later. Once symptoms start, call for help and stay put until professionals arrive. Every one of these don'ts could save your life or someone else's. Remember, don't lie down, don't drive, don't wait, don't panic. Call for help. Survival isn't luck. It's knowing what not to do. Take care of your heart. It's the only one you've got. Take care and stay well. Best wishes.